What's up?
I'm fine. What's about you?
I'm also fine by the grace of Allah, but I think you are not sure, not bad. You are looking so much gloomy today. What is going wrong with you? Does anyone?
No, that doesn't matter. Actually, few days ago there was a event I didn't able to join. That's why I am upset, a little bit upset.
Oh, festival. It doesn't matter. Different festivals are come and go every year. Yeah, you know that the festival of religion, the Eid ul Adha is coming, and it is knocking at our head.
Yes, it is also looking at all there are just only maybe 3 or 4 days remaining of Eid ul Adha. I am really excited of this day, but you told that in every year there comes lots of festivals, and we just only should attend 2 or 3. But I am not like that. I like to attend all type of festivals. They are saying that Bengalis have 13 festivals in 12 months. It means that Bengalis are too much loyal to the festivals, and I am also like that. I love joining festivals. That's why I'm a little bit upset because I missed it first time that I didn't attend any festival.
Oh, okay, but I think festival, as festival is occurring in different types of area, it should be importance in is behind. Can you please tell me about some importance of festivals?
Yeah, there are lots of importance because I attend lots of festivals, and from my experience I can share. There are some importances like that. Through festivals we can gather knowledge about our history, I mean our cultural history. Then it also helps us to make our parents bonding more strong. And then it also helps us to joining all type of curricular activities. Then it also helps us to our boost our local economy.
And I want to share something about this
Yes,
importance.
please.
That is education. Festival helps us to increase our education level. That is when we join in any festival, they give us different types of opportunity to demonstration, to presentation on various subjects, and from this it helps us to get a formal education opportunities. And by this we can something added to our life, that we can know about the history of our previous life, mythology, and cultural activities.
Oh, that's great, but there are some demerits also because there is nothing but in this world without its demerits. Including some demerits, there are demerits of pickpocketing. There is a problem of pickpocketing.
Yes, it is the most talkative
topic, and there is another problem about our concern, health concern, and our security concern.
Yes, there are also some demerits of festivals. That is social disturbance. When different types of festivals occur, there are the roadside residents. That people, those people who stay beside the festival, they got disturbance, and there is a little bit big travel of crowded and anything. And there is also a matter that the
Yes, there are in such type of festivals there are lots of people. It is a crowded place. Criminals also target those type of places for doing some criminal activities. That's why I think that it is a place where there is a concern about our health. So, what do you are you did you join
I
any kind
want
of extracurricular
to.
activity? Do you join any festivals such like that?
Yes, I like to join in, in only religious festival because I am very strict to my religious. But I think you are mostly related to your festival, different types of festival that you inform. Can you please tell me about the festivals of Bangladesh that you have joined recently?
Yes, obviously, Bangladesh is a country of colorful festivals. Bangladeshi people love to join festivals. There are lots of festivals, such like we can divide these type of festivals in 4 types, such like the cultural festivals, then religious festivals, national festivals, and tribal festivals. But if we think about the participation of people in those festivals, then it can be divided in 2 sides. Then one can be religious festivals, another will be public festivals. Because religious festivals are the festivals where just only religious people can attend, such like that. If it is a festival for Muslims, such like Eid al-Fitr or Eid al-Adha, there are just only Muslims can attend, and other religious person can attend. And if and public religious means that it is the public festival means that there are all type of people, all religious people can join this, and these type of festivals are such like that our national festivals like our Independence Day, our Mother's Language Day, and Pohela Boishak, then Novanno Shop and such like that.
And I think you joined all of these festivals once upon, but I think that you can share one of them from it.
Yeah,
About
yes.
the Poila Boishakh, I want to know about the Poila Boishakh.
Okay, yes, Poila Boishakh is very attractive. It is the most biggest festival in Bangladesh because it is the festival. It starts from the first day of Bangla calendar. In this festival, it is mainly connected with the rural people. Rural people think that those days they have suffered, or bad days they have suffered in their previous years. In this new year, these days will not be come again. They hope that this year will be more better. And it is also important for the businessmen because businessmen close their old books of account and open new books of account of, and they invite their customers to connect to visit their stalls, and they treated them as a casual ways. They gossip with them and give them sweets for it.
Okay, that is true that festivals are very important for our life to grow rich in history, to knowledge about our cultural activities.
Yeah, we celebrate festivals from our faith, our life, our nature, our celebrate our achievements. Festivals are too much important to us. So, what do you think that will you attend cultural festivals because you do not attend any kind of cultural
Yes, I
festivals?
don't like the cultural festival at all because I like the religious festival. I want to share about the Eid al-Adha, which is remaining from our Ibrahim, Prophet Ibrahim, and from this it is happening in today. So thank you for better information about this. Now I will very appreciate to join in different types of activities such like this festival. Thank you so much.
Thanks to you also because you helped me to know about the religious festivals. And I think our conversation should be stopped because it is enough for gathering information. Thanks for your cooperation with me. Okay, Allah Hafiz, bye.